Hang on. Hoist. Oh, it's good.
We in?
Yes. Shut up, you big negative head. Bit of a stream coming down here. You wanted to come this way, so well. Yes, you did. You said to me, you. Oh, my hockers. You.
In collaboration with other YouTubers and content creators.
I got gnat on me.
Hey.
Flying me head.
I'll just ignore it.
We do everything here.
Cool. Are we?
Yeah.
What about the video?
Hi, welcome back to the channel. We're Mark and Debs.
Yep, we're known as the Wandering Wilds, and in this video we're going to talk about
North, south, east and west.
our favourite places.
Favourite places?
Yep, absolutely.
We decided to film it up here, which is 5 minutes from our house, isn't it?
It is. Sometimes you don't appreciate what you've got on your doorstep there. You can see that wonderful view in the background. We've got the Irish Sea, so for us this is east, isn't it?
This is east, yeah, because we live east, so and we haven't been to anywhere east in the UK. So if anybody's got any suggestions of places we should visit in the UK, we'd be greatly appreciative, wouldn't we?
Yeah, drop some recommendations in the comments below.
Yeah.
So yeah, East Coast we haven't done much of, but this for us, if you look at that view there, that's east for us.
Yeah, we're in September. I'm actually roasting.
So just to let you know where east is, as much as we're saying it, we're on the Isle of Man, and we are just up at a local plantation, which is literally, like you say, 5 minutes up the road, which is called Conrennie Plantation.
Conrennie Plantation. That's it. So let me take my coat off because it's bloody hot here.
Okay, so recommendations for us for north would have to be Scotland. So we did a Scotland road trip, didn't we? Some amazing places in Scotland, and some of the scenery up there is absolutely stunning. So for us, for north, would have to be Scotland, and we've been to some places like
Loch Lomond.
Loch Lomond,
which was the first place we arrived at, wasn't it, in Scotland?
First, stop of our Scottish trip, wasn't it?
Hailstone in.
Yeah, the weather wasn't brilliant when we arrived.
Thunder and lightning.
A stunning place, Loch Lomond, wasn't it? We'll show you some pictures now on screen of where we stayed, and yeah, definitely head back to that site at Loch Lomond. It was stunning, wasn't it?
Yeah. Aviemore, one of my favourites.
Aviemore, the Cairngorms, yeah, another amazing site again. We'll show you a few pictures now of what Aviemore's like. Yeah, definitely head back there again as well. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful site, wasn't it?
Beautiful site. Had a little pub called the
Pine Martin.
Pine Martin, well done.
Martin, yeah.
Pine Martin, at the top of the sort of campsite. Also, there was a cafe over the road, and you could go and feed the reindeers, which we did.
We did. We went and fed the reindeer.
And right on the site, there is a lovely sort of, I think it's a man-made lake, isn't it?
It is, yeah. So it's a man-made beach and lake.
Absolutely beautiful. Campsite. We took the kayak out in it, didn't we? So that's the Cairngorms, and then Ceiriog, another stunning place. I don't think it's far from Applecross, is it?
It's a coastal town on the west coast of Scotland, pretty much opposite the Isle of Skye. But white sand beaches, again, Ceiriog, really good place to stay. There's so many places that we would love to share with you in Scotland, but we just haven't got time to share them all.
We'd bore you to death, to be honest.
Yeah, our Scottish road trip was amazing.
Those are our top two for Scotland, I think. It was Ceiriog and the Cairngorms. The only thing I would say is midges, make sure you're prepared for them, because we weren't, and I was kind of like laughing at people with the nets on their heads. I wasn't by the end of the holiday.
No.
Was I?
No.
I was like, get me one of those net things. But apart from that, absolutely stunning place to visit, and there is a lot of wild camping, although we didn't do it, did we? Because we had two dads with us. We had your dad and my dad. Yeah, but it was fun, wasn't it?
It was fun, yeah. It was good. It was a good trip.
We'll leave it there. So the next one is south. New Forest.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Absolutely. We love the New Forest, don't we?
Yeah, I think I love it more than Mark. Don't I?
Yeah.
I absolutely love it. You can just let the dogs off, they can run free, as long as there's no deer or anything around. So we've been to a few camping in the forest sites, Setorns, Hollandswood, and oh my goodness,
Round Hill.
Round Hill, yes. And they are lovely. The only thing with Setorns was it was in the trees, and I like to be able to see sunsets and stuff like that. Beautiful site. but it wasn't for me, was it, that one?
No, it was a bit dark, wasn't it, that one?
Every sort of pitch was parked in the trees. So Round Hill and Hollandswood would be our favourites so far, but we haven't done them all. And then we've stayed at Redshoot camping, which was absolutely lovely.
Oh, it was. Just having the pub on the doorstep, that was brilliant.
Pub on the doorstep, you couldn't ask for more. There was lovely walks around nearby.
Beautiful, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'll put a link in the description, so if you're interested.
Yeah, we've got videos on that one.
Got videos
on that and Hollandswood, haven't we?
Yep.
Yeah, got that on Hollandswood. So yeah, that's our favourite south. Have we been further south than that? We've been to Cornwall.
Yeah, we've been down to
Cornwall.
Cornwall.
We Trevedra Farm, which was near Land's End. We also did a video on that if you want to see it. That was a lovely site.
Yep, we'll put another little card up here so you can see the video on that one.
Back of Beyond. Back of Beyond we've just come back from, haven't we?
Oh, yeah, we've just come back from the Back of Beyond site, haven't we? And if you've been there before, like we have a good few years ago, things have changed there now, haven't they? They've added to it.
Really nice additions. They've got like an outdoor-indoor bar area, which was lovely.
Yeah.
They've got a massive koi carp pond. I think that was there the last time we were there, but the koi carp are massive. Yeah. And obviously
visiting food vans, isn't there? Each day there's a different food van that visits, so if you want to get food every day, but having the bar there.
It was, yeah. We made the most of it.
We did. So yeah, also the Back of Beyond, which is also in the New Forest area. It's not part of the camping in the forest, it's a private site. But yeah, check it out.
That was one of my dad's favourite ones as well. And the fact that you can walk the dogs in the woods there, it's they've got a separate dog walking area in the woods, which was secure to a point. Our working cocker managed to get out.
She managed to get out. So we've moved places in Conrennie Plantation and we've headed off to the west to give you our top places that we really enjoy in the west of the UK.
In the west, yeah. So
our favourite place west is
Wales.
Wales.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
First one was Bogoed. That was lovely.
Bogoed Farm, yeah, brilliant.
Has everything there you'll want. If you've got kids, they've got a kids play area indoor.
Yep.
They've got a fishing lake, I think. That was just in development when we were there.
It was.
Got hot tubs, sore subject because we didn't get one.
No, we didn't manage to get a hot tub pitch, but some pitches have their own private hot tub, don't they?
Yeah, we will be back because we want to try one of their hot tub pitches and we love the place. The restaurant was amazing.
Beautiful food.
Yep.
Friendly service.
Shop was brilliant.
Bar, shops of all local produce, isn't it?
All local produce.
Yeah.
And they have they've also got a couple of gypsy caravans there, haven't they, as well?
They do.
They're really cute.
Yeah, really cute. So
if you haven't got a motorhome, you can still go there.
You can still go there, yeah. So yeah, brilliant site. We'll definitely go back.
Yeah, we will.
And we've also been, we've literally just come back from, we haven't done the video on it yet, it's Snowdonia Park. So we stayed at a campsite at the foothills of Snowdonia Mountain.
Yeah, and it overlooks Elephant Mountain as well. So if you're from Wales, you'll know roughly where that is. The views there, even of the campsite, stunning. It had a train that went straight through the campsite, beautiful, steam train. And the pub they had there, walking distance to your pitch, and the food was, do you know what? It was lovely. It was, you know, your normal sort of basic pub food, but really well cooked, really well presented, and loads of it, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Great value for money.
Looking for somewhere North Wales, close to Snowdonia Mountain, check out Snowdonia Park. We'll keep watching this channel and we'll eventually get a video out on it because it was really good.
Where else from there?
The other place we stayed in Wales is Ceiriog Valley.
Ceiriog Valley, yes. Lovely really place. We only stayed there for one night because it was on a stop off from sort of going home. The owner there is lovely. I can't remember his name, but really nice guy. He let us stay a lot longer the next day instead of checking out because he said campsite's going to be quiet. You don't have to check out early because I know you've got the boat and you don't want to be hanging around Liverpool. So we checked out sort of later on, didn't we?
We did, yeah.
The only thing I would say about that place, there isn't really shops or anything that we saw nearby, and it's quite a hill in and out of there, so you've got to be quite fit if you want to do a bit of trekking in and out of the campsite.
Yeah, go prepared, but what a beautiful, peaceful site, wasn't it?
Yeah,
absolutely
really
amazing.
nice.
Really modern, new facilities. It was great.
It's got a lake, not a river, a river at the bottom. Mark fell in it.
I know where this is going. I fell in the river, yeah,
I
and we didn't capture it on camera.
Oh my god, why didn't I film? He got tangled in 3 dog's leads. I went flat on his face. Sorry, it was funny.
Yeah, funny for you, but not for me.
'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way.
video forms part of a collaboration group video with other YouTubers, great bunch of people that are now real good friends with us. Well, I hope they are, they say they are.
They might not be after the weekend.
Yeah. So yeah, please check out their channels. We'll put all the links to their videos and links to their channels below.
So yeah, check out what those guys are saying. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's it. Bye for now.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
'Cause I found my way.